Hey, hi friends, Namaste. Today is Friday and as you all know कि Friday को हमने प्लान किया था कि Wealthy Fridays का एपिसोड निकालेंगे. So today is the first episode on Wealthy Friday. आज का टॉपिक रहेगा गवर्नमेंट जॉब या प्राइवेट जॉब या बिजनेस स्टार्टअप, कौन सा बेहतर रहता है. चलिए देखते हैं. So what is better, government job, private job or your own business and startup? Let's compare government job versus private job versus your own business. तो पहला क्या है, रिक्रूटमेंट इन गवर्नमेंट जॉब इज रियली टफ. लिमिटेड सीट्स आर देयर. देन ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट रिजर्वेशंस, रेड टेपिज्म, ब्यूरोक्रेसी एंड भाई आपका कुछ ना कुछ पहुंच होना चाहिए, लिंकेजेस. In private job it is comparatively less competitive, but now you need to compare a lemon with a lemon. For example, in a private job, if you are going for a normal company, some private limited companies, or if you are searching for a job in Google or Microsoft, it is completely different. Google or Microsoft, or for that matter any big companies or MNCs, they do have very competitive round of interviews. Whereas in business, if you compare it, in business it is very, very, very tough to survive. The crude reality of business is almost 90% of a new startup fails. But then there is a hook. There is no end date. You can try until and unless you give up. Unless and until you give up, you are not failed. So there is no date. So like after this, you cannot try your own business. People have started business in their 60s also. So now next thing is government job provide less salary in the start when you compare salaries. So yeah, they have less salary in the start, but then they tend to give better long term benefits and job security. Nowadays scenarios are changing. Even a government teacher in a school, they get around 40 to 50,000 rupees. That is quite good thing, but then they have to have an experience of almost like 10 to 12 years. Comparatively, starting salary is more in private job. When comparing it with the own startup, initially you need to fund your own startup until it can prove itself and have a positive traction. Then only you can think of funding. Even after funding or investment, you take your salary only once the company becomes profitable. Before that, you can't even think about it. So, salary wise, you need to earn it. This really you need to work for it and you need to earn it. Once everything is settled, you tend to get more than any other thing. Like job can't even compare with you. Once you are successful, you earn in like crores. Now compare the growth. In government job is slow growth and the promotion is like really very, very, very slow unless and until you have some पैरवी or some पहुंच बोलते हैं ना जिसको वो. In private job, yes, it's faster. It depends on your ability and your really performance, etc. But in your own business, nothing is guaranteed. If you succeed and you really need to work hard for it as well as smart for it, there is exponential growth. If failed, you lose all. There is no cushion in your own business. Now we would compare security. In government jobs, very high job security until now. Things are really changing. If you are in government job also, now the onus lies on the management to get things work done faster, but before it was not the case. But still job security in government jobs are higher than in private jobs, where you if you don't perform you will be out of the job. In India still labor laws are strict, but in capitalist countries like in US and all, if you are not performing good, you will be out of the job the very day. But in your own business, it's all up to you. If you want your company to grow, you need to work for it. You need to perform. And if you do not, it's not only you that is going to fail, your whole company will collapse. So you are at risk. Now we would compare the leaves and holidays. So yeah, if you are looking for more leaves and you are short sighted and holidays, some relaxation, some good family time, government job is best for you because you have plenty of leaves and holidays, and then you have many other facilities where you can many more facilities that you can enjoy in a government job. But in private job, leaves are limited to the company laws according to that particular company. So unless and until it is a national holiday or some emergency, it is not going to close. Whereas in business, it is very risky to take leave during the startup. You can't think about taking leaves. You need to keep working throughout. It's a grind in the startup times, but yeah, it really pays off once you are successful. Once everything is okay, you can delegate your work to your team, and you can take leave as and when required. So it's up to you, but once you're successful. Now we'll be talking about some more benefits in terms of government job. Government really provides some benefits and concessions. They give government facilities like hospitals, and getting loans and other stuffs are also very easy. Personal loan and property loan or some car loan, etc., because they know that the government will give you salary and you will pay them back, and you are not going to run away anywhere. It's secured for the loan giver as well. But in private job, yes, it depends on the company. Some company gives you provide you insurance and other things, but largely they do not. But in your own business, it's all about your own money. All expenses is yours. Let's talk about creativity. If you are more creative and innovative, government sector is not meant for you. This is true. You need to be a linear thinker. You just need to follow the orders. If you are like that, you are at the right place. You just need to follow the orders of your superior. Simple. If you are a bit more creative, innovative, and you think that you can do perform activities better than others, then you are most welcome in private sector, and then there will be a much better growth opportunity in private sectors. In business, it all depends on creativity and out of the box thinking. You need to be highly innovative in situations like now when there is a total lockdown. You can't sit and relax. You need to think. You need to think hard how to earn money, how to think other alternatives of wealth generation. So in business, you need to be thinking out of the box. As far as work pressure is concerned, in government job, I can vouch on this. 95% of people in government job, seeking for government job, they join this because of less work pressure. They have this mentality, government job लग गया तो भाई सेट है, काम कम है, जॉब सिक्योरिटी है, बस. This is their mentality. This is what is driving it down. So if you are joining the government job, for example NIS or an IPS or any civil services exam, if you are trying to get into that, so your thought should be like you need to bring a change in the society. It's not like join इतना मेहनत करके भाई आप वो जगह ऑक्यूपाई कर रहे हो इसलिए कि आपको जिंदगी भर आराम से कटे. अरे भाई आप इतना मेहनत किए, परफॉर्मेंस अपना दोगे, सोसाइटी को लिफ्ट करोगे, कुछ डिफरेंस लाओगे सोसाइटी में, देन यू मेक अ पॉइंट, देन यू मेड अ डेंट इन द यूनिवर्स. इट्स लाइक तब तो मतलब व्हाट डिड यू अचीव इन लाइफ? यस, यू अर्न सम मनी एंड यू हैड अ गुड लाइफ, बट वो इंसेक्ट्स का भी वैसा ही रहता है हालत. वो पैदा होते हैं, मेट करते हैं, बच्चा पैदा करते हैं, उसके बाद खाते पीते सोते मर जाते, काम खत्म. सो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? इफ यू वांट टू वर्क फॉर द betterment of the world, of the planet, you need to make some difference. So that should be the objective. Now as far as work pressure in a private company is concerned, it's comparatively higher. High work pressure is there. But in business, it depends on one's own self. If you want to work hard, if you will go far. If you are like ले बैक एटीट्यूड है आपका, तो आप उतना अचीव नहीं करोगे लाइफ में. बट देन इज ऑल अप टू यू. आप जैसा बोया वैसा आप बोलते हैं ना, जैसा बोगे वैसा काटोगे. सिंपल. नाउ इफ यू आस्क मी, गवर्नमेंट जॉब अच्छा है या प्राइवेट जॉब अच्छा है या बिजनेस अच्छा है, द आंसर इज इट डिपेंड्स. आप अगर फिनेंशियली वीक हैं और स्ट्रगलिंग, आप सिंगल सोर्स ऑफ इनकम हो अपने फैमिली का, तो आई वुड सजेस्ट यू टू गो फॉर अ गवर्नमेंट जॉब. क्योंकि फिर उसमें सिक्योरिटी रहता है, एंड देन वंस यू आर इन इट एंड स्टेबिलिटी आ जाता है तो यू कैन एक्सपेरिमेंट लेटर. अगर आप क्रिएटिव हैं एंड यू वांट टू टेक रिस्क एंड देन यू आर गो गेटर, private job is best. If you think that working for someone else is not your cup of tea, then you should think about business. If you think you are a job giver, not a job seeker, obviously then business is for you. But then everything has a dual side. Every coin has a two sides. So it has pros and it has cons. So you need to validate it. Work accordingly. Don't get depressed. But understand what is your goal. What is the purpose of your life. If you want personal freedom, if you want financial freedom, you need to work accordingly. So this is what was about today's class. Next, we'll see you again. Bye bye. Good night.